Welcome to Fun Fact Learning episode. My name is Chinosu Lekwa. In one of our previous videos, we explained the equation of a circle in the xy plane, and we proved and showed how the equation is derived. And in this particular episode, what we want to do is to use um, a real equation of a circle and perform some shifting and illustrate how a circle can shift and how it affects the coordinates of the center. So without any further ado, we'll just move into what we have for today. Now let's assume that we have the equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Now, this is an equation of a circle in the xy plane. Let's assume it's the equation of a circle in the xy plane. Looking at this, the coordinate of the center is 0, comma 0, and then the radius is the square root of 16, which is 4. This circle can be moved to the left, to the right. So let's draw this. Let's draw this particular circle with coordinate at 0, 0. So remember that this is the origin. So that circle, and then the radius is 4. So if the radius is 4, then the distance, that's the diameter, would be 8. So we can give this point, let's extend this. This could be negative 4, and then this point would be positive 4. And then on the y-axis too, we could have a positive 4 here, and then a negative 4 here. So we can then make a circle out of this. So this is let's assume that it's a circle. So this is the graphical representation of this this equation of a circle in the xy plane, where the radius is 4, the diameter would definitely be 8. So there's a 4 here. Now let's just take the absolute value. There's a distance of 4 here and another distance of 4 here. The same applies here. So this circle can be moved some units up, some units down, units left or to the right. In this case, let's just assume that this circle is moved 2 units up. So if it's moved 2 units up, the x components will remain constant, but the y component will change. In other words, the new center would be, since it's moving 2 units up, the new center would be, the x component is constant, so our x coordinate is still 0, and then we add 2. So this is the new center of the circle so formed. So we are saying the new center is 0, comma 2. And then if it's 0, comma 2, recall that the general equation of a circle in the xy plane is given by x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared. But then we still know that the radius is not changing. For some questions, they will say the radius could be halved or so on and so forth, but in this case it's still constant. And then since we know that the x component is 0, it still remains at, so we have x minus 0 all squared plus, now our y minus this negative is inherent, so y minus now our b, which is 2. So we have sorry okay, so this is 2 all squared is equal to, and then we know the radius is 4, so that would be 4 squared, which is equal to 16. Now, so this is going to be x minus 0, so this is eventually x squared plus y minus 2 all squared is equal to 16. So this is the new equation, and then we could as well say it's moving 2 units to the right, 2 units to the left, and so on and so forth. So this moving it 2 units to 2 units up is this new equation. I just hope you understand what is going on here. Well done.